opened up a lot of them.
I've seen it happen twice.
In person?
No.
Oh, okay.
But they called me.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
So I mean, I guess.
All right. No.
You're gonna be a pro by the time you go home.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Is this good?
Professor research.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
the EX.
Uh-oh.
Standard. That's just standard hollow. Nothing crazy.
This one.
Okay. There you go.
There it goes. The glory.
The 6 of them?
6, that's it.
Uh-oh.
Go ahead, too.
This good?
That is a Pokeball.
Oh, this is good. I know it is. Trainer.
Oh yeah, trainers.
Trainers
that
are good, right?
Yep.
The hollow trainers.
It's better than nothing.
Yeah.
There's some things that are just nothing. It happens all the time.
I know.
It's a chance we take.
Trust me, I ripped some stuff with them, and each box was $8,000 or $10,000, and we did it. We ain't got nothing, and I'm like,
I got you. Nothing big. It happens.
Can I have a sleeve for this?
Gamble life.
You can, and you can have this as well.
Oh, thank you.
Sure.
it happens.
The gamble
The
life.
streets, bro.
But I appreciate you. Thank you.
Got the under.
Just Pokeballs, not Master.
Anything good?
Nothing crazy. Like, this is one of them that you could pull.
This is like $5, $5.
Yeah, this is like one of the bigger hits in the set. There's like a few of them that are multiple $100s, but
No, we
That's
saw
how it
the
goes.
black Umbreon one. That one's fire.
yeah, that's the top hit. It's another L for Prismatic. Never fails.